Hey guys, this is Michael. I'm gonna go through the most frequently asked questions about DEKit. Let's get into it. DEKit is what you would expect out of a floor. It's super durable, it's still comfortable, and it also provides that really aesthetic, pleasing look that you're looking for on the deck. So the variety of boats that we come across, from flats boats, lake boats, cruisers, fishing boats, big yachts, up to 66-foot Spencers, we've done it. No job is too small and no job is too big. We'll do cooler toppers, we'll do custom areas on your boat that you're looking to get some extra padding inside, hatches, cockpits, anything really, we can do it at DEKit. So we've got a wide array of colors here at DEKit, from standard single color options to 2 color options. We also have super customization as far as design goes, and then we have simple design patterns. But whatever you're thinking, we can do it. If you want a logo in there, your own custom logo, we can do that with our laser, or we can get it routed. So whatever you're thinking, we can pretty much do it at DEKit. So we want to make it most convenient for you when we're doing an install. So we're going to reach out to you and take your schedule into consideration so you don't even have to think about it. Whether your boat is at a house, marina, a local dealership, boat shop, builder, we're gonna schedule that with you at your convenience and make it easy for you. So the most popular question that we really come across is, how do I clean my deck? And what we're gonna tell you is most stains are just gonna come out with soap and water. But if you've got a hard stain that maybe you've let sit on there for a little bit longer than you should have, you can use our Deca Cleaner, and you can get that on our website at www.dekit.com, or you can reach out to your local dealer and see if they have that for you. It's important to note when we're doing these decks, a lot of the times customers are wondering about our warranty. We have a 3-year manufacturer defect warranty. What that means is we're gonna pretty much cover anything that we can control in production. So it's important to just make contact with your dealer and make sure you understand what that warranty is. All right guys, so I hope I answered all your questions. If we didn't cover one of those questions, drop a comment below. Also, like and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you out there on the water, and thanks for watching.